So, hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herb. Yes, and hello to all my Yummylicious around the world. How are you there? So tonight, guys, I'm here at the Formal Park together with my colleagues again. So, because the weather now is amazing. So, everybody is enjoying here now at the park. Okay? So, Rose, come here. That is Rose. They're still doing barbecue. Okay, guys. You know, there's a lot of people now here. So, this is all our stuff here. See? Oh, it's very dark. As you can see, guys. Rose is coming and Anne is there. Oh my God. We cannot see your face. Okay, guys. It's very dark. It's good to be here around 3 p.m. guys. Okay. So, hi guys. We're sitting down now on the grass, of course, with a mat, with my colleagues and friends. So actually, I bring this lumpia, the spring roll, guys, the favorite Filipino dish. Okay. We have also Doritos. Ay, hello, open. Ay, hello, sorry, it's open now. Doritos, guys. Let's eat. Oh. So we're going to that area, guys, while they're doing the barbecue. Let's see what they cook. Okay. Hi, Dodong. Where's the light? Wow. Here we go, guys. So we have here the pork barbecue. All pork barbecue.
This pork, this chicken.
This is chicken.
Ito yung atin,
pork.
chicken.
And
we're doing like this
okay,
with
it's
foil.
not for us.
It's not for us.
Sorry, guys. So that's for us. So still we're not yet done, huh?
Yeah, not yet
So
done.
the chicken, okay, it's
How we cook for the chicken, we're using like this with
the
foil to avoid
okay.
the
To avoid
burn.
what?
Burn.
Dodong?
burn the virus.
Burn! Yeah, see?
Because last time we're doing grill, so
And then what happened? It's burning.
70%
Burn.
burn.
Burn, okay. Yeah.
Better like this.
So look at them,
The problem
guys.
We consume more time.
So we are here at the Formal Park. Okay. Different nationalities here. Hi, Kuya! Hi!
What's your name?
It's dark. What's your name? Ayan po sila. Madilim-dilim po. Let's go from the other side. Here. Look at them. They're selling the barbecue. How many hours you marinated that pork barbecue? So smoky. Smoke. How many hours you marinated that one? The pork or the chicken?
Just 2 hours.
2 hours?
Inside the refrigerator.
Ah, okay.
When you marinate, just need to chill it.
Okay. How about you, Dodong?
This one is 24 hours. Oh,
How many hours? Overnight. Wow. So for 24 hours? Wow. So
yesterday I do this one around at 1 a.m.
wow. So let's try later. Okay, guys. I'll come back again. See? We are in front of the Cornish That's a Cornish hotel, guys. So we are here at the formal park. This is our chance now to sit here because soon it will be summer again. Change weather. See? So cold. My short, I'm wearing short. It's very cold, guys. The good thing I'm wearing stocking and shorts. You know, sometimes it's good to go out to unwind, going to the park or going to Cornish to relax. No stress, no pressure. So this is our life here in abroad. We are happy only after our work. No stress. So we must enjoy our life, guys.
Special, bayad po. Wala mo ito sabot sa unya na, wala. Hindi, wala. Itay ratadang, wala lang ang tanan ng mga ano dap. Piso ba yan? Pasagdain lang sila. Pero di lang na siya sunog, wala lang bayad. Ano lang na. Sa pagulay pala eh. Basta wala lang siya bayad. It's rata. Milabay na tanan eh, pilian.
So hi guys. Luckily I bring my shawl. It's very cold. So how are you guys? How's everything? It's cold.
Dalawa pala tayo.
It's cold. Thank you, Tiki. Thank you, Katiki.
Paris? Tulog ka ba na? Wala nga tao, wala nga
It's so cold.
Tawag atong Paris da? Bears? Ganang, pinakanay ko ng Paris. 45? Yate, tagnawa dyan.
It's very cold.
Lamigin pa naman ako.